Hey guys, and welcome back to another review. So we're doing one from iMethod Beauty, and I feel so bad. The company sent me this for freaking ever ago. They not only sent it to me once, they sent it to me twice, and I dropped the ball so hard on getting around to reviewing this. You do not want to know the length of time it has been since they sent it versus now. That is 100% on me, and I feel really bad. They probably wondered, like, what the hell happened? Like, I'm trying to make good now on it. I'm trying to make good now on it, so I'm still reviewing it. I feel really bad. Anyway, yeah, the whole mod pizza situation just really threw me for a loop off of all scheduling things for like 2 years in there. So, anyway, we have the Grooming and Volumizing Brow Gel in the color 1 Brown. They have 3 shades of this stuff: brown, dark brown, and black. So apparently if you're a blondie, they don't love you. I'm kidding. But there's no blonde and no red, which most brow products at least have a blonde. It's fairly rare, I've noticed, to really find a red, so I've gotten used to not seeing that, but usually there's a blonde option, so I was like, oh, that's a little strange, but whatever. So I have the brown because it's the lightest shade they've got. They claim it's easy to use. I have the listing up with the instructions for how to do it. That's not showing up. Is that a little better? Not really. It's too bright. Whatever. So it's like tease it, brush up and out, back comb, and comb and sculpt brow. Seems easy enough for somebody who knows what they're doing with brow stuff. I am a noob. You guys have seen my other brow product reviews, so I'm half expecting this to be an epic shit show because of my application, not because of the product, but I will do my best at giving it a fair review. So this stuff is $10, and you get 5 grams or 0.17 ounces in it, which is more than most liquid brow products. Like, they show a comparison. You can totally tell what the other products are supposed to be, even though the labels aren't showing. So, comes in this cute little pink tube, fairly nondescript, but it is what it is. You open it up, and you just have the little itty bitty baby spoolie. It's awfully cute. So, smells like a Sharpie, in case anybody was curious. Why do I always do that? I don't know, but I always sniff all the things. So, already teased it on there to get any excess off. Now we're going to brush up and out. Like so far. So far, we're doing okay. May even have wiped off a little too much, but I'm like, no. My brows naturally fade out at the end, so I'm like, actually, that's kind of okay that it did that. So, although I feel like I should add a teeny bit more, though, just a little. Up and out. See, now I probably went in a little too hard. I also have a clean spoolie here too, so then it says to back comb. So let's back comb, back comb, back comb, and I don't know if this is what they meant by back comb, but I'm doing it anyway. And then comb and sculpt the brow. So okay. And like so, we have a fairly good brow, actually. Alright, you know, they weren't lying when they said it's easy to apply. I am going to clean up the edges a little bit where I smudged it. That's not the fault of the product. Oh, actually, I just had a couple hairs out of place was all. Oh, actually, guys, look, that's actually not bad. Not bad at all. Versus my natural brow. Like, that's pretty good. Okay, let me respond to this message first, and then we'll do the other brow. Okay, so let's go on in and do the other side. I got wrapped up in a much longer text convo than I meant to, and I feel crazy sitting here with only one eyebrow on. So let's go do that other side. But I'm actually quite pleased with how the first one came out, but it always gets iffier when it comes to this one, because this one's just shaped so weird to even start with. Let me pull back up those instructions, because it was helpful. So, already teased it off, so we will brush up and out. Harder doing it accurately. Lefty. I am not a lefty, so but I'm not doing too horribly. twirl the brush a little too to get the product off. I still think I ran out a little bit too soon. But yeah, this is actually surprisingly easy for one of these with the spoolie brush. I think there's only one other product that I've used that I had this easy and dummy proof of a time with, so this is not bad. I believe this is cheaper than the other one, so I'm like, dude, actually. And given the other one in question is one of the ones that they like did without name dropping in their comparison of our product has more product than like the other leading brands. Yeah, I'm like, okay, I feel like this is definitely comparable. Probably about as even as they're gonna get. Because this one also is just shorter than the other, I think. And then I try to overcompensate and then I make it too long. And anyway, back combing, back, back, back combing. And then comb and sculpt it back down. Try not to get my hair in it. My hair keeps trying to get stuck to it. Okay. Where did my spoolie go? There it is, behind the phone. So let's just fix up that little edge there. Dang it, I took too much off. I'll go back in and add a teeny bit more back in, but honestly, this is pretty dang easy. Pretty dummy proof. Okay. Oh my goodness. Okay. It's just that outer tail on this one that's always hard. It doesn't matter what product it is, getting it even because they're not shaped the same on me. They just aren't. So trying to make them even always just seems to bring more attention to the fact that they're not even. Oh no. Now I caked too much on. So okay. Pro tip, don't put on a second layer. It will start to clump. And now I have to yet again crack in with the spoolie to fix that. Let's just keep it on the top edge. Okay. It's fixable. Nothing a spoolie can't fix. Alrighty. But yeah, you can see it like flaking off in clumps from where that second layer was just a little too much. Oh, now I dug it off too much. Oh well, I think I'm just gonna leave it this time because I am not gonna keep fighting with it. But yeah, that is more on me than the product because I have weird eyebrows and I'm not that good at doing them in the first place. Therefore, I cannot blame the product for that fact. But honestly, this is really easy to use. Color wise, actually, it matches closer than the Gimme Brow one, which is the other one that I've had a lot of luck using. I like this a lot, actually. I think I would honestly give this a 4 out of 5. The only reason I don't is because the Gimme Brow, I can add a second layer without it clumping, versus this one, not so much. But it's still very easy to use, especially if you follow their instructions. Just trust me on that. Use their instructions. Don't try to wing it. You gotta do it the way they explain. But if you follow their instructions, very easy to use. So, highly recommend it. A big thank you to them for sending it to me, and again, apologies that it took me this dang long to get around to reviewing it. I really should have done this a heck a long time ago. Life happens, though. So, anyway, that's it for this one, guys. So as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe. Hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my eBay, my Reddits, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, until next time, see ya.